Hello students, today I am giving you the questions of the living world. Question number first is, what does IIT-JEE stand for? Question first, what does IIT-JEE stands for? First question is, what does IIT-JEE stands for? Second question, amoeba multiplies by mitotic division. Amoeba multiplies by mitotic division. Is this phenomena growth or reproduction? Explain. Question number third. Define metabolism. Question number 4. Which is the largest botanical garden? Which is the largest botanical garden? And name few well-known botanical gardens in India. Question number 5. Basically fourth question देखें आप. Which is the largest botanical garden? Name few well-known botanical gardens in India. Next question, brinjal and potato belongs to the same genera or genus, that is Solanum. But two different species. What define them? Separate species. What defines them as separate species? Question number 6. Properties of cell organelle. Properties of cell organelles are not always found in the molecular constituents, are not always found in the molecular constituents of cell organelles. स्टेटमेंट है, आपको इसको जस्टिफाई करना है. Properties of cell organelles are not always found in the molecular constituent of cell organelles. Justify. Question number 7. The number and a kind of organism. The number and kinds of organism is not constant. Is not constant. How do you explain the statement? Simple. How do you explain this statement? मतलब basically the number of kinds of organisms are not constant. How? This you have to explain. Question 8. What is meant by living? What is meant by living? And give any 4 features. Give any 4 features of life. Question number 9. Question what is meant by question number 8. What is meant by the living, and कोई भी 4 features you have to tell about the life. 9th question. Define taxon and what is meant by taxonomic hierarchy. Taxonomic question number 10th. Question number 9th. Define the taxon. What is meant by taxonomic hierarchy? And the last 10th question is metabolism is a defining feature of all living organisms. Without exception. Metabolism is a defining feature of all living organisms without exception. Isolated metabolic reaction in vitro are non-living. Yeah, simple. Explain. Basically we know that metabolism is a defining feature of all living organisms without any exception. How? This is you have to explain. This is your today's homework.